Hi everyone, my name is Arla Kate and welcome back to my channel, Kate's Wonderlands. This is the beautiful Ara Maris Sorrento, which opened in April of 2024. And let's go ahead with the room tour. We stayed in the Superior Sea View room, which is also referred to as the Superior Panoramic room. It is absolutely beautiful, nice finishes, really upscale, and you know that they used quality materials to build this hotel. The bed was very comfortable. Pillows were nice and soft. The room is not very spacious at around 300 square feet in size, but it was plenty for our 3-night stay there. We also appreciated that they had an espresso machine, a safe, and a fridge with a mini bar that's chargeable. They also give you a complimentary tote bag and pool slippers, which was great because we actually forgot to pack some. And here's the beautiful view from the balcony. Breakfast is also complimentary. There is an a la carte menu and delicious pastries to choose from. It was too cold to swim in the pool, but here it is. And lastly, here is the view from their rooftop bar and restaurant. Perfect for the sunset. This hotel is conveniently located just a short walk from many restaurants and Corso Italia shopping street.